Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to view multiple charts on TradingView step by step. If you're completely new to TradingView, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a very simple and clear way. Viewing multiple charts at the same time is extremely useful if you want to analyze different time frames, compare different trading pairs, or monitor multiple markets together. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section to open your main chart. Now, look at the top right area of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a grid or multiple small rectangles. This is the Select Layout option. Click on that layout icon. You'll now see different layout options, such as 2 charts side by side, 3 charts, 4 charts, and even more depending on your plan. Select the layout you prefer. For example, if you want 2 charts, click the 2-chart layout. As soon as you select it, your screen will split into multiple charts. Now you can click on each individual chart to activate it. When a chart is active, it will have a highlighted border. To change the symbol on a specific chart, simply click inside that chart and type the symbol name at the top, such as BTC, USDT, Euro USD, or any other asset. You can also set different time frames on each chart. For example, you can set one chart to 1 hour and another to 5 minutes. This is very helpful for multi-time frame analysis. If you want all charts to sync together, look for the sync options at the top. You can sync symbol, time frame, drawings, or crosshair depending on your preference. After setting everything up, click on Layout at the top and choose Save. This ensures your multi-chart setup stays saved even after refreshing. Keep in mind that the number of charts you can open at once depends on your TradingView subscription plan. Free plans may have limitations. And that's it. That's how you view multiple charts on TradingView step by step. Using multiple charts can significantly improve your analysis and decision-making, especially if you trade actively. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly TradingView tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.